If you're seeing the itchio error 400, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two quick fixes that solve the problem for most people in just a minute or two. Error 400 usually means your browser has a bad cookie, a corrupted cache, or some saved site data that's confusing the page. The good news is that you can usually fix it yourself without reinstalling anything or changing your account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and simple how-to guides. Let's jump in. First, we're going to clear your browser data. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. This will open the browser's Clear Browsing Data window. Now, make sure you select Cookies and Cache. These are the most common causes of the itchio error 400 because they can store old or broken session information. If you see an option for time range, you can choose all time for the most complete reset, or recent if you want to test with a smaller cleanup first. Once everything is selected, click the clear button and give the browser a moment to finish. After that, go back to itchio and try loading the page again. In many cases, that alone will fix the issue. But if you still see the error, there's one more fast test you should do. Open an Incognito window on Chrome, or a private window on Firefox or Edge. This is important because Incognito mode starts with a fresh session and doesn't use your normal saved cookies the same way your regular browser window does. Now visit itch.io in that private window and see if the page loads correctly. If it works in Incognito, that's a strong sign that the problem is caused by a bad cookie or stored browser data in your normal session. If that happens, the fix is usually to clear cookies and cache for itch.io specifically, or to keep using the site after fully refreshing your browser data. You may also want to sign back in again if you were logged out during the cleanup. That can help force the browser to create a fresh session and remove the old error. So to recap, the two main fixes are clearing your browser's cookies and the cache and testing the site in incognito or private mode. Those steps solve most itch.io error 400 issues quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more simple fixes for website and app errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.